In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sales by customer in Xero. To get started, open Xero and head straight to reporting. This is where all of your financial insights live, and it's the quickest way to pull a clean breakdown of who's buying from you and how much they've spent. Once you're in reporting, choose all reports. That opens the full report library so you don't have to hunt around through menus. Use the search box to save time. Start typing Reese, and Xero will filter the list for you. Look for the receivable invoice summary and open it. This is the best report for a clear, customer by customer view of your sales because it summarizes all receivable invoices and organizes them by contact. Think of it as your snapshot of revenue by customer for any period you choose. Before running the report, set the right time frame. Use the date range picker to choose a preset period like last month or this quarter, or define custom start and end dates. Getting this right ensures you're comparing apples to apples, especially if you review trends month over month. Next, choose the date basis for the report. In the date search options, decide whether the report should look at invoice date, expected date, due date, or created date. Invoice date is perfect for standard sales reporting because it reflects when revenue was recognized on the invoice. Expected date is useful if you want to align with when you anticipate payment. Due date helps you focus on credit terms and collection windows, while created date reflects when the invoice was first entered into the system. Pick the one that best matches how your team measures performance. Now, customize the view with columns. Add or remove fields to make the report more actionable. For sales by customer, consider showing contact, invoice date, amount due, and any tracking categories you use, such as region or salesperson. Tailoring columns helps you quickly answer follow-up questions without exporting to a spreadsheet. When your filters and columns look right, click Update. Xero refreshes the report and displays totals grouped by customer, along with the underlying invoices that make up those totals. Scan the list to identify your top customers, spot unusual spikes or dips, and confirm whether outstanding amounts align with expectations. If something looks off, revisit the date range or date basis to make sure the report reflects your intended view. Small changes here can significantly shift totals, especially around period boundaries. That's it, an easy, reliable way to see sales by customer in Xero. Set your dates, choose the right basis, tailor your columns, and update to reveal clear customer-focused insights.